This is Mr. Von Neumann. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a few formatting tips for customizing your Google Sheets. First, I'm going to start with a few tricks for changing the color and style. Select the columns that you want to alter, and to do the alternating color bands within those columns, just go to Format, Alternating Colors, pick the one you want. If you do footer, you'll get a darker color at the bottom, header is at the top, and that's it. There's your alternating colors. Now on to altering the border and the grid within. Just click this icon, set your thickness, your color. This is where you'll set your color. You can adjust the thicknesses here, and then just select the cells that you want and hit the icon. Pick the one you want. If you just want to go around the edge, use that. If you want grids all through the middle, there you go. And that's the basics there. Now, if you need to change the width of a column, just hover until you get the arrows going in both directions. And this will let you either narrow it or widen it. Now, when you narrow a column and you start to lose some of the words like we would do right here, they're getting lost, getting cut off in that cell, just go ahead and highlight that whole column, go to Format, Text Wrapping, and now that what was getting cut off wraps down below it. That's one way to deal with that when you're shrinking those columns and you're losing words. Now if we want to enhance and get something that kind of looks like this, like a black and white type layout, let me show you how to change the fill and the color. So in this case, if I want to change fill back there, you just click there, change the fill, say to black, and the color of the letters to white, change the size to whatever you want, 18 in this case. You've got a lot of things cut off here, so you'd need to stretch those columns like I showed you. And this is kind of an important time for using that stretch. And those are some of the basics in order to build a budget or a project similar to this with a little bit of enhanced colors and layout. Hope this helps.